We have recently added this magical headpiece into a luxury tiara collection that is already captivating the brides around the world. It is so beautifully made, this flowy, feminine design that sits so beautifully on the head with your hair up or your hair down, maybe some curls, those gorgeous, luxurious curls, the big curls that are currently so in fashion, those gorgeous Hollywood curls. Um, Something like this would go perfectly with that. If you'd like yours, check out my soulmate wedding on Etsy and we'll be thrilled to assist you if you have any questions. Look how it sparkles, it's just so beautiful.